wish that I could hold you now. When you was here for me, I was not here for you. Now I was too blind for to see what you did for me.
Are you tired?
What to do?
You ready? Show your hands.
To another exciting episode of Pree Dis. I'm your host, Michaela Leana, and this week's location is in Barbican, Kingston. Now we have a jam-packed show for you, so stay tuned. It was Shaggy in concert at the Moon Palace Jamaica Grand in Ocherius. He delivered the hits and we have all the highlights. Let's check it out.
This concert has been planned for a couple of times before, and we've been trying to get it together. I think one at a time it kept getting pushed back because of the fact that the hotel wasn't ready. And for whatever reason, I think it was from about last year to now, but we're here now. And you know, we're doing this concert tonight, and I'm looking really forward to it.
So you're here for the Shaggy concert. Which Shaggy song is your favorite and why?
It wasn't me, probably. Yeah.
What are you looking forward to tonight?
Just seeing him live. I've never seen him live before, and I know that he's been around since almost from when I was born, so it'll be awesome to see him live.
Your first time to Moon Palace Jamaica Grand?
Yep. Yeah.
And how is it going so far for you?
Very good. It's our honeymoon, and we're actually leaving tomorrow, so we're really sad.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks.
You're here for the Shaggy concert, right?
Yes, I am.
Which Shaggy song is your favorite and why?
It wasn't me. I really like the song. I like the concept of the song, and I think at the time when it came out, it was quite original. So yeah, that's my favorite Shaggy song. Yeah.
I sense an accent. Where are you from?
I'm from UK, Manchester, England. Yeah.
Moon Palace Jamaica Grand.
It's a beautiful place, and we checked it on the internet, and I thought we'd love to try Ocherius. We've been to many parts of the island, and we thought Ocherius, Moon Palace, the refurb as well. We've seen it on the internet, and I thought it was really amazing. So we just thought to come by and check it out, really.
And how is your stay going so far?
So far, so good.
What do you thought about the concert tonight?
It was awesome. Shaggy is great. It was a good performance.
What song was your favorite song from the Shaggy catalog?
Mr. Lover Lover, of course.
Mr. Lover Lover.
Where my reggae people at? Let me see your hands in the air.
Chicago is so bombastic, they fantastic. They got you say so it's a roll. Fantastic, she so just like a silk. Stop and me up like a silk. I'm a lyrical lover. I'm taking nothing, get my sexual physique. Tell me well, you're my well, can't you tell? I'm just like a silk, probably no.
We're having a great time. Shaggy is awesome, and we love the new song.
What about you?
Awesome. Love his concerts. Excellent entertainment.
All this time she was standing there, she never took her eyes off me.
Oh, you're ready to woman, I said, oh, you're ready. Just what you know, we just have to
But you caught me on a cannon.
Having a good time tonight?
Yeah.
What brought you out here tonight?
Shaggy.
How are you?
I'm great.
Having a good time, right?
I got a great time.
What do you like about Shaggy?
Everything, the energy, he's very captivating, awesome performance.
Girl, you're my angel. Consider my peeps you are to me. Girl, you're my angel. You're my darling angel. Girl, you're my friend when I'm in need.
I just want to be party when you're
How did you guys pull it off?
Well, Shaggy is just the best. We've been trying to get him for the opening for a long time now, but because of the delays and everything, we just finally got him, and I think he has done an amazing job performing here tonight. Went from every single section of the Jamaican music that we could think of, from dance hall to real reggae as I know it, and to Shaggy.
Now it's time to go to our first break, but before we go, let's listen up to this very important accident prevention tip courtesy of our sponsor, Superior Parts Limited.
Here are a few tips on how you can stay safe on the roads. If you drink, do not drive. Put your cell phone in the glove compartment until you reach your destination. Always wear your seatbelt. Drive defensively and always leave enough space to avoid other drivers in the case of an emergency. This tip is brought to you by Superior Parts Limited, making Honda affordable.